Yes, so the demand has been so high, so we're going to look at thermodynamics. So the very first law of thermodynamics talks about the fact that any thermodynamic system in an equilibrium state possesses a state variable called the internal energy. Now the internal energy is what we represent as letter E. In physics, we all know, for senior 6 students, we all look at internal energy represented by letter E, and we are saying that between any two equilibrium states, that is now having two equilibrium states. Are we getting the point? We find that the change in internal energy. Now this triangle, in physics, we mean the change in internal energy. We mean a change. Triangle means a change mathematically. So when you look at a change in internal energy being equal to the difference of heat energy into the system and work done by the system. Now heat energy is represented by the symbol Q. That is in physics for people doing paper 1, and the new curriculum, we always look at simple sort of definitions like this. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Alex Kayanja, and then you will be seeing more of such content. So the very second quotient here that we are having, talking about the two equilibrium states, that is state number 1 and state number 2. Both of them are having equilibrium values, like we can see in the diagram above. Both of them are having equilibrium values. So we are looking at this law being defined in a way that the change in internal energy being equal to the difference of heat transfer into the system and work done by the system. So this is represented by a simple formula having the change in internal energy, that is internal energy 2, that is now the one that comes in last minus the initial internal energy. Now initial internal energy in most cases comes in as 0. So initial internal energy is being subtracted from the final internal energy gotten, and being equated to the change in the heat transfer vis-a-vis the work done. So the heat transfer represented by letter Q vis-a-vis the work done, having a difference in them, gives us an equilibrium to the change in the internal energy. So this formula, it gives us a good representation of how the first law of thermodynamics comes in. Like I've explained in the further videos, we have to look at this formula as a key factor. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow, and share these videos for very many students to know what can come in next. We are going to look at more about thermodynamics in the videos below.